Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, July 10, 2023. Friday was the non-farm payrolls report day. The markets gapped down. After the open, they ran higher and then rolled over into the close. We ended up closing lower on the session. We're going to take a look at what has happened historically following the non-farm payrolls report day when you close lower. Let me go ahead and get this set up. We're going to use all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session is trading lower. I'm going to add that to the opening filters here by clicking on gap down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library and grab that lower close that we had on Friday. I'm going to grab it from right here. Just hit the equal sign next to it. It'll get added to the test. You could also grab it from the active today section. All right, next I'm going to go to the indicators library, and I'm going to put us above a 200-day simple moving average, and that's the only one that I'm going to use today. I'm going to skip over the 10 like I would normally use just to keep more samples. And then I'm going to go to the market events library. I'm going to say today is the day after the non-farm payrolls report. That's going to be available here on the active today, that bottom option, day after NFP. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the markets long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you gap down on the day following the NFP report, when the NFP report day closes lower on the session but above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 32 samples here in the S&P, 36 in the NASDAQ, 38 in the Dow, 28 in the Russell. If you take a look at the win rates on them, you'll see the S&P coming in 53%, NASDAQ 56%, Dow 55%, Russell 46%. If we look at the average moves, the average move to the downside sizably larger than the average move to the upside here in the S&P. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ, in the Dow, and in the Russell. So all four of them have larger moves to the downside on average, but three of the four have win rates that are just slightly favored, not very strong, just slightly favored here for the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow. NASDAQ being the strongest of the group at 56%, but those moves to the downside quite a bit larger, and that's why you're seeing negative numbers here for the net profits and the equity curves here moving lower. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.